CSM Cyber School Manager, a complete online solution to manage all school needs, a product by Cybrain Software Solutions. A smartest way to get closer. Academic success includes student willingness, teacher excellence, and parent support. You can download our app from App Store or Google Play. Search the app by name Cyber School Manager, and to download the app just click on Install button. CSM mobile app features: student profile, student mailbox, alerts and notifications, homework, attendance, fee ledger, online fee collection, result and examination, class toppers, photo gallery, leave request, class activities. Cyber School Manager is successfully installed and now is ready to use. Parents can log in multiple mobiles using student's registration number as user ID and date of birth as login password. Click on Login button. After successful login on home screen, user can see student's profile, attendance status, latest homework, school messages and notifications. We have different CSM menu items on the left side of the home screen where user can see all the functions of CSM app like student profile, inbox, notifications, homework, attendance, leave request, fee ledger, fee payment results, date sheet, timetable, gallery, report an issue and logout. On the CSM dashboard, user can access all CSM features, and to see student's profile, tap on My Profile icon. On the student profile page, all the basic information about the student can be checked like admission number, roll number, class, date of birth, parents' mobile number, email ID and address. On the inbox page, parents can see all the messages specifically related to their ward sent by school or teachers. School's notifications are very important for the parent. Now parents have instant information regarding any event, activities or all kinds of communication by school. E-homework. Now there is no need to write homework in diaries or notebooks. Just one click in the CSM app and students and parents will get the full information. Attendance. Check full attendance detail of student. Even parent can see how many days their ward was absent or present. Also there is a feature of month-wise attendance summary where one can check full attendance details of the student and parents can see how many days their ward was present or absent in the particular month. Fee ledger. Now parents have complete details of fee like paid fee, last paid date, next due amount and due date. They will get instant acknowledgement from CSM app as fee receipt upon successful payment. In the timetable section, parents can see their ward's class timetable according to the days or timings. Date sheet. Great app for the parents who want to see their ward's class date sheet online at one click. Moreover, you will get the date sheet as soon as it will be announced. Most important feature of CSM mobile app is School Toppers, where school can promote their academic as well as co-scholastic achievers for multiple sessions and different classes. The photo gallery is basically a collection of photos and videos related to the school, where you can see all the events organized in the school within a single click. CSM is a trademark product of Cybrain Software Solutions Private Limited. It was introduced to the company portfolio in 2015. Since then, it has grown rapidly and the product is favorite of many clients. We have 150 plus schools using CSM. 2,50,000 plus registered students, 15,000 plus registered teachers, and 50,000 plus active app users. For more details, visit our website cyberschoolmanager.com, or you can call or email us at the given details.